There's no way. Is that Vince? I am back. How y'all doing? It's been a good minute, bro. I can explain. Like I said last video, or a few videos back, I just live in a boring ass city for car content. So yeah, I'm bringing you guys a new video today. I'm doing well. It's been a good while since the last video we did together. So let me be doing my steering wheel install today. Have a MOMO Carlo wheel with the Works Bell steering hub, and then different things planned for the EVO. It's an upcoming month, getting the roof redone. Our appointment with that in a few weeks, and then I just ordered my bumper extensions, the little carbon extensions to go out right here. They gotta order the skirts finally, so then once that arrives, get that put on for the next video we do in the future. And then take this car, go get painted, the roof finally. So that's all in the works as of right now. There's just no car meets here how there used to be anymore. So yeah, I buy stuff for the car now to make content, which is okay, but don't really want to keep buying for the car, and that's all it is, just modding my EVO. I want to expand to do car meets and all that fun stuff, not just modding my EVO. So, but anywho, that's rambling. She's been great. Can't complain. Car has been phenomenal. Just this roof is the Florida sun, bro. Just beating up on my car, but it is what it is. So today's agenda: get this steering wheel off, get the MOMO Carlo wheel on, get these boots out. Yeah, man, life's been good. Just been busy at work. Tell you the truth. All I do is work, guys. So. But on Instagram, I'm very active on there, as you guys see. If you follow me, my IG be lit every day. Not lit, but just I'm active frequently on there, posting stuff and all that stuff. So car's been great, no complaints. I have no AC still, but it ain't my daily, so excited, bro. Just long overdue. I actually ordered the MOMO adapter a while ago, but come to find out it was for the older EVOs, like the 5s and below. So that was the whole delay with that situation too. But content's been slow, man. There's no car stuff to do in Jacksonville. If there is, either I'm at work or I'm busy. No excuses, but it just sucks, bro. Like I said, I guess I'm forced to buy stuff for the car now to make content, but my channel's supposed to be like all around car stuff, not just focus on my main car. But it is what it is, you know. So I'm trying to get motivated again. I'm trying, bro. But other than that, cruising. Can't wait to have my new wheel on, bro. This thing is well overdue, bro. Well overdue. When you guys see it, you're gonna see little details, bro. I'm gonna just say black and blue. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright, it's gonna happen. Pull my car in. Don't stall. I'm just kidding. You look good in that, bro.
Miss mine.
Definitely don't want to lower my teeth out.
All right. Negative terminal, that's all it is. What's the? That's the Allen. It's the Allen insert.
Nip day.
All right. Well, I can show y'all the steering wheel now. Here's the adapter. Works bell. Here's my horn. Blue. Posted this thing a lot on my Instagram page, so but you guys want to follow me on Instagram. Here is y'all first seeing. There it is. MOMO Carlo 350, same size as the factory wheel, which is what I wanted. MOMO blue stitching. Thing is sick. Thing is sick. They got your cart rolling by.
Is there only one or two?
Two. Well, no, that side only has one. It's only the two across now.
Oh, I see. Nip day. There we go.
Locking it down now. It's getting pretty serious, eh, mate?
A little bit.
I'll show you guys. Factory wheel.
Is there a torque spec on this?
Yeah, 22 foot-pounds.
How many?
22.
A few inches later.
So finding out the instructions don't help at all because they're all Japanese writing. No offense. Being for almost an hour doing this thing, trying to figure out what goes to what. So this adapter has many holes for adjustments or different steering wheels. And voila. Unfortunate situation happened. I won't have a horn, it's no big deal. This piece was giving us problems to where it wouldn't want to bolt in flat. So we kept bending it to get it to work, and it finally broke the little ground piece, but it's no big deal. So I'm gonna order another spacer for this steering wheel and try it again, but steering wheel's on. It is on. See how low. Yes, sir. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean with the instructions. All jab. All jab. Alright. Wheel is on. This thing looks fucking sick, bro. Only con ain't no horn, bro, but not really a big deal. The car's loud anyways. It just ones I can't honk at. Overall, bro, thank you, Alex, bro. I appreciate your help. Look at it, bro. This thing is sick. And it feels so nice, bro. It feels so nice in hand. Interior looks like an interior. Like a race car cockpit. So sick. So sick. Now let's cruise home and I'm gonna check my tire pressure real quick before we go home. But bro, that shit is sick.